Veteran football coach Andrew Price is calling for more games to be played outside of the scheduled FIFA windows. A largely local-based 24-man squad is in training, from which players will be selected along with the possibility of other members joining the squad for a friendly international against the Grenada on January 18.
It's always good to have these opportunities. What I want it to be done, though, is that it should be done more consistently on a regular basis. We shouldn't have to wait only on the FIFA window to have international games.
True.
We can play outside the window and play these B internationals outside the window and give the local players an opportunity to continue to develop.
Price is also in agreement with the criteria for selection put forward by interim coach Rudolph Speed. One of the criterion is that players must have a contract in one of the top 20 leagues across the world. Secondly, if players are not with a top league in the world, they must be playing for the top team in the country where they ply their trade.
I don't think this is anything new, you know. You know, it does that the JFF has probably never previously have disclosed their selection policy, but I don't think this is anything new. And I think that if you look globally, it's a best practice situation. Most international countries use that as the way to select players who represent the country. So it's nothing unusual.
Okay.
I guess the disclosure of it is a bit unusual to the public.
Price was speaking with host Garfield Jones on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Thursday.